Well, it's Christmas and Hanukkah. They're upon us. You know, besides the children's enthusiasm and excitement for the gifts and the presents, in my opinion, the holidays are really all about family and getting together. Regardless of our cultural differences, we gather family, good friends, and the opportunity to really spend some quality time together. For me, this is my first year as an orphan. My mom passed some 16 years ago, and my dad, we lost him this past March. But the memories remain very, very vivid. And I know holidays are all about memories, and there are really two that are very specific to me. I'll never forget going to my grandma, we called her Nanny, and in our holiday of Hanukkah, she made the most incredible latkes, potato pancakes. And the smell of walking into her apartment building in the Bronx was just unbelievable, very vivid in my mind. And the other was when I was living in the Bronx, New York. We lived in attached row houses, and my parents rented our downstairs to a young couple. And we were invited on Christmas Eve to decorate the tree, first time in my life. And it was just awesome. And probably the most vivid memory was having pancakes at approximately 2 o'clock in the morning. Another event in my life I've never done before. So yeah, memories, it's what it's all about. But folks, please, as a reminder, the greatest gift that you and I can give one another, and especially to our children, is the gift of our time. And I don't mean just time, I mean being there, eyeball to eyeball, using our ears. Remember, ears and mouth, we have two of those, one of those, and use them respectively. Children will greatly appreciate the uninterrupted and most valuable thing that we can give them is our time. So here we are. It's a new year, a celebration. I want to thank you for allowing me to participate in your healthcare journey, and may you go forward and allow yourselves the greatest gift that we have, and that is the opportunity to share with one another, family and friends, in this holiday season. Thank you.